Hi guys, it's Rob with another Unity tutorial for you guys, and today we're going to be going over sprites and how to make sprite animations in Unity. And this will probably span across a bunch of videos. So here I have just some sprites that I created for a current project that I'm working on. This is just my color reference here. Then we have the regular stance, the gun stance. So when you can see when we swap between these two, the gun goes up and down as if it's being fired. I'm going to make use of that within Unity. Then we have the run. See these two? The switching of the hips to make it look like she's running. We have the start run, which is the foot forward. And then we have the jump. And these two I didn't get the color yet. And these aren't fully rendered either. Just to show you guys a quick example. The end result of really what you want to achieve, if I could I'm just going to pull up Unity for you guys. Basically, we're going to be going through is Unity's native animation system. So it's going to be just the regular Unity thing. You know, there's no plugins required. And you're going to be linking up these animations within the code. So I'll show you how to reference the animator in the code, how to make use of the animation windows, transitions between animations, all that stuff. So let me just open up my scene here. Okay. Play the game really quick. And you see, you can tell she's running this way, she's running that way, she jumps, she fires her gun. Haven't worked out the left animations yet, except for like the run and stuff, but I haven't worked out the shooting or anything like that. See, so we got her running around, jumping. So if any of you are interested in how to do this in your games, I'm going to show you that. So first, I guess, is getting the sprites actually into Unity, as some of you may not know how to do that. So what you want to do, you have your assets folder here. You may want to make a folder called sprites, just to keep everything organized. You could even sort your sprites by characters. You know, a lot of these are just references and placeholders. But when you're actually using stuff, your sprites and your animations for each character could pretty much go in separate folders. And so basically what I'm going to show you, let's say we have a picture we want, okay, like this texture picture, for example. If I wanted to make this, I'll just make a new folder in here. This will be my tutorials folder. And inside of this tutorials folder, I want to take this texture and I want to make this a sprite. I would drag that texture in. And now what I would proceed to do, I would click on this texture. Now the type here is texture. We're going to switch that to sprite because remember we're making sprite. Single sprite, pixels per unit 100, pivot center, all this is good. Just a lot of times you're going to forget to hit apply. You want to hit apply here. Okay, and if you do forget, there'll be a little message that pops up. You'll notice that here, you have this little arrow now. See this? So that means it's a sprite. That means we can now put it inside of our game and use it in these animations. So when working with animations, we have two options. Well, two different things that we need to use when working with animations aside from references in the code. We have the animator and animation. The animator is this. It's a whole bunch of different animation things. It's a web of animations basically, where you could trace, you know, what one animation leads to another and what the conditions are. Now, animation is the animation window where you actually make said animation. So, for example, my jump left animation will be reflected in here. If I click on player here, you could see that I could select from any of these. So, if you want left idle. Well, this is our left idle animation. So if we go back to the scene and we want to test out this animation, well, our left idle is just going to be this, right? So now we want to stop playing that. I want to go to Mitsuki run, and I want to press play. This is her run animation. So this is just a really quick and easy way to preview all of your animations. And we're running out of time here, so in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to make an animation and hopefully how to link it up in code as well. Or maybe even put it in the animator. And then in the video after that, I'll show you how to link it up in the code. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all next time.